Hi friends, I'm Luca Berton and I'm your Ansible automation expert. We're here today for a new release announcement, specifically Ansible Core 2.16.0. Codename All My Love. I like this codename. Okay, as usual, there is an announce on the Ansible announce group on Google Group from Matt Martz that shared with us on 6th of November 2023 the new release of Ansible Core. As you can see, he also highlights some very important changes, so the drop of Python 3.5 support for module execution, the drop of Python 3.9 support for controller, but we have an addition of 3.12 support for execution. This is particularly important for RHEL 9.2 and RHEL 8.8. RHEL obviously is Red Hat Enterprise Linux. The next release candidate is planned for 27 on November 2023. Now, this software is already available for installing in your system as usual in the Python package system. So pip install Ansible Core, just copy this command in every terminal in your operating system and you're good to go. As you can see, is already available after some beta and release candidate. So this software should be pretty relatively robust and tested in our system. Okay, I was taking a look on the long changelog. It was something I never see such a long changelog, more than 300 lines, and something catching my attention. Okay, sure, I was expecting this security fix that prevent role from using symlink to override file outside the installation directory. This is a common CVE we saw already in a couple of releases of Ansible, and I think this is just related to path traversal, something that was probably some simple coding. Let me highlight also this, that the support of Windows Server 2012 and 2012 Release 2 has been removed as a support of Microsoft terminated on October 10th, 2023. So this might be very important if you're especially in an enterprise environment. There are also some other deprecated parameters for the collection path that previously was collection paths and now moved to a singular collection path variable. This will be a simple update in a configuration file or environment variable, but it could have an impact if you're using a lot of custom module. There is a lot of new things really. If you have an opportunity, take a look on this release note, as there are so many new and interesting things, especially the new datetime that support more UTC standard, the Python 3.12 that is definitely the interpreter preferred for this release, and there is a lot of details about programming. So if you develop custom content, a module, a collection, take a look about all this detail. I'm super surprised that Ansible-test now really expanded the supported distribution and operating system. As you can see, there are so many interesting operating system, and well, I'm not able to cover all this release note because there are so many interesting things, but what catches my eye seems that Ansible Core 2.16 is really become more mature and is an evolving product. Also, some of the module, let me highlight the DNF5 to interact with a new DNF5 introduced in Fedora 38 is really interesting and is relatively new but already integrated here. And there is also the support of the signature, especially GPG certificate, and this is very important for all the supply chain trust. Red Hat is heavily involved in the trusted supply chain, and I think this is very interesting things, especially for corporation. Okay, so what else? What is the future? The future, as we saw in the previous announce, will be a release candidate on 17th of November 2023. But taking a look on the broad roadmap, as always, Red Hat is releasing two major releases. So was 2.15 of May 2023 and 2.16 now in November. So we are not expecting another major release this year, but it will be some minor, probably some bug fixing later this year. One more important thing is the Ansible community package. This is a comprehensive package formatted by the Ansible core plus all the relevant collection that will be released according to this schedule. Let me go down on 28th of November 2023. And this will be very useful for all the developer or the people that want to install just one package in all the system. So Ansible Project 9.0 is the community package. And I think that's it. I mean, I have a feeling that this Ansible Core 2.16.0 will be very interesting release and very comprehensive one, as we saw together by the amount of line in the changelog. This is very heavy release, but I'm super excited. I can't wait to test in my system. So thank you for watching. Have a great automation day and let's automate more. Bye!